Hi guys, this is an incense holder and this is a unique lightweight material you can move anywhere. Usage of this item. The Backflow incense burner can be used with incense cones or incense sticks. Functions and widely used. Use the incense burner together with warm wood. Incense cone helps to purify the air. Meditate and relax. Relieve stress and improve sleep quality. The cones holder can be widely used in living room, bedroom, study, office, meditation room, yoga room, hotel. Upgraded cones and 7 fragrance. The ceramic incense holder arrived with upgraded cones which are longer lasting and better smell. There are 7 fragrances: jasmine, lavender, rose, green tea, apple, sandalwood, and osmanthus included. Handcrafted and mysterious atmosphere. The ceramic incense holder are all handcrafted. Ignite with Backflow cones. Smoke stream down like a waterfall, and the cone incense burner surrounded by smoke looks wonderful and mysterious.